Hello students, today we are going to learn our third lesson, gerund and present participle. Second lesson was infinitives. Second lesson and this third lesson both are based on verb. So first we will see what is a verb. Verb is a word used to describe an action, state of being or possession and forming the main part of the predicate of a sentence. First we will see some example of state of being. I am a doctor. He is very tall. They are curious. So here am is are showing the state of being. So these are the verbs of state of being. Was where are the past form of this verb and other verbs that showing the possession that we have a pet, she has a dollar, it had grey eyes, have, has, had shows the possession. And other example of verbs that action verbs, we will see some action verbs. Action verb, an action verb describes what someone or something is doing. She tasted the stew. The bus arrived on time. Tasted and arrived both are the verb. Some other examples of verbs include play, jump, eat, work, study, drive, walking, write, etc. Many are there, and we know that verbs are having four forms: verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 1 plus ing. Now we will see types of verbs. Verbs can classified into two categories: finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Finite verbs which change with the number of persons, and the tense. And non-finite verbs, they don't change at all. They don't change with the number of persons as well as with the tense. Those are infinitive, gerund and participle. In the last lesson we have seen, second lesson, infinitives we have seen. What are infinitives? Infinitives are verb 1, 2 plus verb 1, base form of the verb, gerund and present participle. So we will see infinitives, gerund and present participle. Just a recall of infinitive. In this lesson we are going to see gerund and present participle. So what are gerunds? Gerunds are verb 1 plus ing. When we add verb 1 plus ing, when it acts as a noun, then it is a gerund. Here we can see one example. Playing is a good exercise. Playing is a, what is a good exercise? Playing. Playing here it is not act as a verb, but it is act as a noun. So it is a gerund. And here participle also verb 1 plus ing. Participle also verb 1 plus ing. That Ramesh is reading an interesting story. Here you can see example. This verb, it is it is verb as a verb also and as an adjective also. Here in this example we can see what is Ramesh doing? Reading. That reading is the main verb in the sentence. And which story is he reading? Interesting story. Which type of story? Interesting story. To the verb interest, ing is added, that part it is made participle, and here it acts as an adjective, so it is a present participle. When a verb is act as an adjective, it is an adjective. Here also we can see participle is equal to verb 1 plus ing used as an adjective, gerund verb plus ing used as a noun. Here in the table two parts are given, one part is of gerund and one part is of participle. So here you can see he likes playing football. What does he like? Playing football. Playing football. So it answers the question what does he like. So it is a noun and it is it is a verb form, but it is act as a noun, so it is a gerund. Second sentence, swimming is a good exercise. What is a good exercise? Swimming is a good exercise. So here verb 1 plus ing, it is not a verb. It is not act as a verb here. It is act as a noun. So it is a gerund. Next sentence, he is fond of gambling. What is he fond of? He is fond of gambling. So gambling is also act as a noun. So it is a gerund. Other part of the table, participles are given. I saw him playing football. Here that playing is not a verb. It is act as an adjective, because it is describing about him that he is playing football. I saw him playing football. So it is a participle. We saw her swimming. We saw her. That swimming describing about her action. So that swimming is an adjective. So it is a participle. I saw him gambling. I saw him gambling. He is gambling. He is doing there? Gambling. So I saw him gambling. So gambling is describing about him. So that gambling is not a verb here. It is act as an adjective. So it is a participle. Verbal, we can say gerund is a verbal noun because it is formed of a verb. Participle is a verbal adjective because we can say it verbal adjective because it is formed by a verb. So here some of the examples we will see in our textbook, that ing form of a verb that has a force of a noun and is as well as that of a verb is known as gerund, and the word which can which has a force of an adjective as well as that of a verb, that then it is known as present participle. Examples of gerund: swimming is a good sport. What is a good sport? Swimming is a good sport. He is fond of swimming. So smoking is harmful for health. You should give up smoking. What is harmful for health? Smoking is harmful for health. So that it answers the question what, and it also act as a subject of the sentence. So it is a gerund. It is work as a noun. So it is a gerund. Second sentence, you should give up smoking. You should give up smoking. What should you give up? Smoking. Smoking is also act as a noun here. So it is a gerund. Here it is the object of the verb. So the verb gerund, they act as a subject or object of the verb. Some examples of present participles: a burning house. Which house? Burning house. It is a verb form. Burning is a verb form. But here it is describing about the house. Which house? Burning house. It is describing about the house. So describing words are adjectives. So it is a participle. An interesting story. Which story? Interesting story. Interesting, here it is describing about the story. Describing word adjective. So it is a participle. A working lady. Working is also describing about the lady. So it is an adjective. It is a participle. Verbal adjective, participle. A running train. Which train? A running train. The train which is running. That running here showing or describing about the train. So it is an adjective. It is a participle. Verbal adjective. So here we have seen what is the difference between the gerund and participle. Both are ing form, but gerunds are used as a noun and present participles are used as an adjective. Now we will see the exercise. Exercise 6. The question is, complete the following sentences by putting the given verbs into the gerunds or present participle form. So here you have to form gerund or present participle. That verb form you have to change, and you have also mentioned there. You should also mention there whether it is a gerund or a present participle. So gerund is a verbal noun and present participle is a verbal adjective. So you have the textbooks. I will read the answers. It is on page number 7, that exercise 6. First sentence is I began, in bracket verb is given, read a novel yesterday. I began reading a novel yesterday. I have underlined there. You can see reading. I began. What did I begin? I began reading a novel. Here it is act as a noun. So it is a gerund. You have to mention there whether it is a gerund or present participle. It is a gerund. So I have written there gerund. Next sentence, a roll stone gathers no mass. That roll is in the bracket verb. So that rolling, I change the form of the verb. A rolling stone. You can see there I have circled the word stone. I have circled the word stone. Why? Because it is the rolling verb is describing about the stone. Which stone? Rolling stone. It is describing about the stone. So what is it? What it is? It is a present participle. Third one, I like eat oranges, in bracket eat, but I dislike peel them. In the bracket verb is given peel. So I like eating oranges but dislike peeling them. Eating and peeling both are gerund, because here they answers the question what? What do you like and what do you dislike? Eating and eating oranges and peeling them both are nouns. They act as a noun. So they are gerund. Fourth sentence, we had a drink of the sparkling water. Here also you can see I circle the word water. Water, which water? Sparkling water. The water is describing about the word sparkling is describing about the water. So it is an adjective. So it is a present participle. Next sentence, fifth sentence, the creak door awakened the dog. The creaking door awakened the creaking door awakened the dog. So here you can see the which door? Creaking door. So that creaking describing about a door. So it is an adjective. It is a present participle. I have done 5 examples for you. So rest of the examples you can do in the notebook. Now we will move next to the next exercise, exercise 7. In exercise 7 we will see 2 questions are given, and both questions are of gerunds. And as we know, gerund is a noun. So the noun or a pronoun, whatever coming before the gerund, it must be in possessive case. Here we can see some examples. Do you mind my smoking here? My smoking. Smoking is a noun here. It is a gerund here. So the possessive pronoun will come, not the objective case of pronoun. That do you mind my smoking here? So as I told you, all the gerunds are given here, and with the gerunds possessive pronouns will come, and if nouns are there, possessive nouns will come there. So exercise 7, question number 1, you can see first question. Our teacher won't like us coming late to school. Us is the wrong form here. Here we have to use our coming. Here you can see in the answers I have made the arrow that our coming हमारा आना, हमारा late आना. Our teacher won't like our coming late to school. Here coming is the gerund. So with gerund verbal noun. So that possessive pronoun will come there, our coming. Next sentence, I don't mind you taking my pen. It is a that pronoun is wrong form of pronoun is used here. I don't mind your taking my pain. Next is third sentence. Please excuse us disturbing you at this late hour. Please excuse our disturbing. Our disturbing is here noun. It is a gerund. So us is the wrong form. Possessive pronoun will come. Our disturbing. Next sentence. I wonder why you dislike my wearing this pink shirt. I wonder why you dislike my wearing. You can see my wearing, arrow is made to wearing. That wearing is a gerund. Possessive pronoun my will be used. My wearing this pink shirt. Next is next sentence, fifth sentence. It is no use you asking him for help. You asking? No. Asking is a gerund here. It is no use you are asking him for help. With the gerund, possessive pronoun will come. Sixth and seventh sentence. Here nouns are used, so I have taken those two examples, that as we have to take the possessive form of the noun. I am afraid of Monu losing his way. I am afraid of Monu's losing his way. Now seventh one, I don't like Mary going home alone in the dark. I don't like Mary's going home alone in the dark. Mary is apostrophe S, possessive case of noun, because losing and going both are gerunds here. Both are nouns, verbal nouns, they are gerunds. So we will use here possessive. Question number 2 of exercise 7. Here you have to use the gerunds also with proper appropriate pronoun, like do you mind I smoke a pipe? Do you mind my smoking a pipe? Here you have to change the verb form also in gerund. That verb 1 plus ing you have to do that work as a noun here, and the possessive case of nouns and pronouns you have to use here. So complete this exercise in the same way. Thank you. Have a nice day.